Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review on this Bluetooth speaker slash lantern. It's also rechargeable. The company name is Lexall or Lexall. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the Bluetooth speaker slash lantern with my own money. Now, on to the unboxing. Okay, all right. Before I open the box, I want to read what's on the outside of the box. So once again, this is Lexall or Lexall. So it's rechargeable, powered by 800 mAh built-in battery, equipped a USB cable, allow for fast and convenient charging. Maybe the word with is missing. Equipped with a USB cable, allow for fast and convenient charging. Fixed it. Charging time 2.5 to 3 hours. Red indicator on when charging, green indicator on after fully charged. Note: when the light have been not in use for a long time, please charge it before use. And there's a warning: do not look directly into the COB light or COB light. This is not a toy and should not be handled by infants or children. All right, so USB cable. It looks like it's a Type C. Okay. Business card. It says, "Thank you for purchasing our products. We hope our products will bring you happiness and satisfaction." I guess the manual, user's manual. And this is the actual product. So the handle right off the bat, it feels like it's rubber or silicone. Plastic, 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 plastic. So on the manual, this is the handle. This itself right here is the speaker. Inside it, high power LED. There's a middle switch here. It says Bluetooth switch. Stands for M, on and off. Type C charging port right here, and LED switch. So the function, so there are 3 modes by clicking the switch: white LED, warm LED, white LED strobe. Keeping any modes more than 8 seconds, the next mode will directly be off mode. All right, let's see. All right. So I guess this is the white LED. It's pretty bright. Okay. This is the warm LED. And this is the strobe. Observing the user's manual, the white LED lasts about 2 to 3 hours. The warm LED lasts about 2 hours. The white LED strobe lasts about 2 hours. Um, right off the bat, I don't think this is something for camping, because it only lasts 2, 3 hours the most. So now I'm gonna test the Bluetooth capability. Okay, so the name of the lantern Bluetooth is called Hoko Studio. Pairing is connected. Let's play some songs up in here. I wonder how you could
Hey yo, I'm trying to get my cake up, and I want it in the worst way, cause ain't nothing sweet now, even on my birthday. A hell lot of talking, but ain't nothing walking. I'm the type to make it happen, and most stay hoping, see some ain't about nothing, and most be free.
So that was the loud. I really don't want to blast it. It's like about 2:30 in the morning. It's pretty, you know.
What you want, I got my mind made up. Throw your fist in the air, cause we gotta stay up. My fam counting on me just to make it on top. Ain't no pressure, I'ma make it way, I'ma make it pop. Can't stop, won't stop, I'ma die trying like a soldier in the battlefield. I'ma keep firing, you can catch me.
I was wondering how you could turn the volume from here. I guess you cannot. There's no volume to turn up or down from this particular device. Everything is controlled through the phone because I don't see no no volume adjustment here. It only says Bluetooth. Now, if you had the Bluetooth on for 10 minutes without using it, it would automatically be off mode. That's the only gripe I have with this Bluetooth device. You cannot manually adjust the volume on the device itself, like your Bluetooth headphones or, other Bluetooth speakers. Now, I purchased this device for under $20, right? They actually have a promotion, a coupon from Amazon around $14. It's not bad. Now, it doesn't say where it's made. Oh, never mind. It says made in China. I'm going to leave a link, my affiliated link of this device here. Oh, and you could take off the band, So this is like for camping. Boom. You could attach it on the pole. Boom. And then put it back and it'll hang, inside your tent. My final thought. The only thing though, it seems fragile since it's made out of plastic. I would not advise for kids to play with this. They might drop it and that's it, it's a wrap. But it's pretty bright for what it's worth, I'm definitely gonna vlog about this, see how bright it is, outdoors in the middle of the night, and of course the speaker as well. Under $20, speakers pretty clear, and the only thing I don't like, the maximum, it seems like the maximum time for the light is 2 to 3 hours. But what do you expect for a device under $20. So yeah, so far I like it, man. I like it. And there you go. That was the unboxing and product review of the Bluetooth speaker slash lantern by Lexall. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Hey world, don't forget to check out my brand, my clothing brand at www.dosos.clothing. Check it out. If you like this hat, I only made two. One for me, one for you. I even throw in free shipping. Is right under one of one. All right. So once again, it's www.dosos.clothing. Thank you. Once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.